What's in the news tonight?
Yeah, so let me just bring up the news real quick. So, according to Loop News, another teacher died on Wednesday. President of the Jamaica Teachers Association, Winston Smith, confirmed a short while ago that another educator, Amore Tomlinson, who taught at a school in Black River, St. Elizabeth, died suddenly on Wednesday. I am not sure of her age, but it seems to be a case of sudden death based on what I have been told, Smith told Loop News in the wake of her death. Earlier Wednesday, it was reported that Jennifer Giddens, acting principal and vice principal of Charlemont High School, had passed away, bringing the number of educators who have died in the last 8 days to 6. That tally has now jumped to 7 with Tomlinson's death. On Tuesday, Education Minister Favour Williams disclosed that 5 teachers had died in a 6-day period. The other teachers who have passed away recently are mathematics lecturer at Portmore Community College, Gregory Williams, who died on May 11th, Principal of Bear Technical High School, Antoinette Banton Ellis, who died on May 12, and Marie Johnson Lindo, Vice Principal of Duncan's All-Age School in Trelawney, who also died on May 12. Carlos Gordon, a grade 6 teacher of One Way Preparatory School in Kingston, who passed on May 14th, and Donnelly Wright of Tarrant High School in St. Andrew, who died on Monday, May 16. Wow, that's a lot.
It's a lot.
Yeah.
It's scary.
R.I.P.
I heard some people saying that, it's the vaccine. Or the vaccine.
Really?
And I'm just like, 2 years later, what a slow activating vaccine, and how so much of them, I think all of us here are vaccinated.
And they're targeting teachers, really?
Like the vaccine, no, specifically to target teachers.
Yeah.
But, it's sad, though, that so many of our educators are passing. You really have to wonder if it's like the stress. Because on top of this, just more schools, I was reading before the teachers passing that they were dying of corona. The schools were closing again because of coronavirus. Given that we're in our 5th wave, according to the Ministry of Education, so more schools were closing because they keep on reporting, I guess, clusters, and several people are reporting that they got the COVID virus. So, it's been just a troubling time for the education ministry. So, it's sad that so many of our educators are passing now. And, we send condolences to their families and the school,
Friends,
obviously, who are the students and the school community who are grieving their death at this moment.
Yeah, most definitely. Yeah, what's up next in news, Jobs?
All right, so we're going to say congrats. We're shifting gears. Congrats to Rihanna and A$AP Rocky. They're officially parents, and they have welcomed a baby boy to the world. According to TMZ and direct sources to the couple, they confirmed that he was born on May 13th in Los Angeles. The name is still unconfirmed.
Congratulations!
Nari just wants a baby. He just really wants a baby. I wish Rihanna had my baby.
Yeah, let me tell you something.
I hate Jamie so much.
I do. I don't feel away about it.
I feel away.
I do.
I think you feel away.
Let's play that. Yeah, I do feel away. Hear me out, so if there's any person, if there's any man I would be jealous of, is A$AP.
Why?
What a blessed dude.
Why are you jealous?
Yeah.
I mean, because it's Rihanna. Not only is she unbelievably sexy, but she's also a billionaire. So that would be a come up. You know what I mean? So yeah.
And you see them did that spread rumors about him the other day.
I wouldn't have to work. Well, I work in other ways, but I wouldn't have to work a day in my life. You know what I mean? Yeah. But I put in the work the otherwise, and I mean, because I know so I'll be a bum. You know what I mean? You see me, I just know so I just that be there for. You know, it just work. Yeah, work. But yeah.
We having 5 kids.
Oh, you mean 5? No more sheep babies. Ew.
Why is it so inappropriate?
Shout out A$AP Rocky.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? He is indeed that Negro.
Oh,
you know what I mean?
God.
They were trying to destroy, we're trying to kind of mess up them relationship the other day with the rumors and whatever.
Miscreants.
And he was
trying to mess up a good thing for a good.
And he was arrested, so they went to Barbados, and then as him come back and get arrested, it's just like, what's happening?
Oh, for what?
For murder charge and gun charges.
What?
Yeah. Like literally
from last year?
No, 2 weeks ago basically. Well, recently
the charges.
Yeah, but the charges were from last year.
Wow.
So yeah.
Shout out Rihanna. So I can't wait to hear the name.
Huh?
What's the person?
Moving out of Los Angeles.
Oh, and
They're
he's moving out of Los Angeles.
Oh, they are?
Yeah. See, that's why we need a producer.
You know what I mean? Thanks a lot,
Thanks
Kevin.
for that.
Thanks a lot, Kevin.
Who's not helping us? Thanks, Shannon.
What going on? The king of dancehall, though. Jazz Champa. What's going on there?
Like I said, which one?
Stand diggy.
But yeah, so Sean Paul speaks on Beyonce dating rumor. So still on his promo run for his Scorcher album, Sean spoke with the Daily Beast, and one of the things that came up is his collaboration with Beyonce that sparked dating rumors that she was not happy with, and due to this speculation, he only performed Baby Boy 3 times with Beyonce. In part, he shared a story of the last time they performed or tried to perform while in Scotland for an MTV event, and during rehearsal, Beyonce confronted him about the rumors, saying, "What's all these rumors about?" And I'm like, yo, I'm not saying. And she's like, these rumors mess with my career. I just want you to know that. I was like, they don't F with mine. So listen, I met Jay before you and we was friends, so me and him should talk. If he feels a way about that, then we should talk, because it's not coming from me.
Well, Sean Paul is almost like on a week-to-week basis, just goes on to prove why is indeed Vicky. What a response. Them no mess with mine. I don't know what going with you, though. But yeah, me alright. On the gall of Beyonce. Yes, Beehive, I don't care.
Yeah.
What she bring that to me for?
But this
Me have
was-
nothing to do with that.
but this was
I mean,
rumors.
she bring it to me like, if me a Sean Paul, me appreciate, she bring to me like a me bring the rumors.
I mean, start nothing.
I would respond, how dare you? How dare you try to
Pardon me?
besmirch my name?
Excuse me?
Excuse me? No, she fought him like yo him start the rumor them.
Yeah.
Me not like the aspect I'd say she fought him and say, yo, what's up with these rumors? Rumors them are rumors. People start the rumors them. Me not have no control over
They
that.
mess with my career.
Yo, me never show myself.
Around.
Me not have no control over that.
Stop spreading
Do that
the
over, do that over.
lies.
But yeah, that's
Crazy.
crazy. Yeah.
Crazy.
And apparently there was another. I read the entire article, and you know he was supposed to perform at the VMAs, but like during the rehearsal there was like problems with Hi Kevin. There was problems with his audio while he was performing, and you know the Daily Beast interviewer was asking, "Was you think he was Beyonce?"
I'm playing corruption right now.
And you know he wasn't able to, and then after she confronted him, you know he didn't perform. They didn't perform the song together, and they had another one.
Also, like he was in the crowd. I think I read that.
Yeah, so he was in the crowd, and you know Paris Hilton
watched
was like, "Why aren't you performing?" And he's just like, "Look at this! Look at them playing the song.
Yeah,
Look
that's
at
how I
that."
was showing him.
And you know he said that there was I was supposed to perform in Washington DC and to do a song with her for her father. I went there, did my show, then waited around for a while, and then I got PO'd, and they were like, there are 3,000 influential people waiting out there for you to do it. And I was like, there were 50 million people watching the VMAs. I'm not doing it.
Right.
And I left. And that was the last time we did the show, and by
Like
the time
a
I was
G.
saying publicly
A
that
G.
there was nothing going on, it fell on me. So I was like, oh my god, like Shamba was really
Right.
the she's naive during
No, you
that
have to
time.
remember
there.
now, this was
Know
this
your
was when he
worth.
was at the peak of his powers,
career,
you know what I mean?
yeah.
So even though Beyonce was a star, she was not the superstar that she is right now. So yeah, it probably is arguable that probably he was the bigger international star at the time. Maybe, you know what I mean? So that's why I could have answered, say, yo, they don't do nothing for that. Them think they don't trouble my career. You know, trouble me. You know what I mean? And there's always been like this underlying thing whenever I tell the story, say, oh, Jay-Z was jealous of him.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It just,
Yeah,
it
because
just
the
weird.
fact that they've only performed 3 times and it's such a like
Mega
big
hit.
single, like why you da only do that and make rumors be the reason why
Yeah.
you know actually
Stop
perform
spreading.
the song.
It seems like every time I talk about a
rumors
story, like a new piece
Naro,
of information
can you make me
comes
sing?
around. No, I'm specifically speaking at this moment in time to prevent you from singing.
No, please,
Please don't. Please don't. Alright.
Stop spreading.
We have some more news, right, Jav?
No.
Yeah, we do.
Javi, can you let me
Okay,
sing?
moving on.
Javi, let me sing my song, please.
For the love of all that is sacred and kind, just please move
We're
on.
saving everyone. Come on.
Spreading. These
Ricky
rumors.
Trooper
Yeah.
versus Mr. Vegas again. Daidu. So controversial dancehall personalities Mr. Vegas and Ricky Trooper appear to be at loggerheads over remarks made by Mr. Vegas. In a video currently circulating, just ignore them. In a video currently circulating on social media, Mr. Vegas alleges that the disc jock could be perceived as a snitch because of utterances regarding Busy Signal's previous arrest. It's further alleged that Trooper was speaking about the feds going after Busy Signal even before the incident unfolded, and that U.S. law enforcement officials also deported Ricky Trooper. Since then, Ricky Trooper, in an emotional rant via live stream addressing the matter, has issued a stern warning to Mr. Vegas for what he cites as the artist putting his life in jeopardy, and forewarns the DJ to expect a thrashing for his malign remarks. Trooper adds that he is willing to face the consequences even if it means jail time. Jamaica, I'm there when I lose my visa. Saying, you know what Trooper saying? Saying, I come and talk about them, deport me. Deport, who deport me?
I wanted to get in.
B-boy, who deport me?
P-boy.
Trooper angrily exclaimed, "Boy, I set up my life for people kill me. I said that depending on," he added. Addressing the Busy Signal situation, Trooper highlighted that he and Busy are on amicable terms, while stating that he had nothing to say when he was called to the embassy with questions regarding other persons.
I think this is a situation where two grown men just need to find themselves off the internet, and stop taking on the issues to the internet. Two well-respected members of dancehall fraternity, and you just always hate to see things like this. Two grown men, going back and forth, and
But you said this.
But you said that. But yeah,
Sin.
I just think at the end of the day,
I love you, Ricky
at
Trooper.
the end of the day, just come off our internet. If some common ground can be found, you see me, in person as grown men, yeah, that's fine. Come off of the internet with the bag of cussing. Please.
I need some clarity though. Cause I'm like, what's happening here? Cause can you explain? Cause I'm like, isn't Busy Signal never get arrested like 10 years ago? Is 10 years ago this happened? Is a serious question, man. Is that rhetorical? Like, I'm really confused. Like, what's happening here? Like, really and truly, what's happening here?
Yeah, we can't help you.
Yeah. All you can do is just send out healing energy. I think this is one of those times.
Just keep it at that.
You can send some healing energy here to both parties and all parties involved, including Busy Signal.
Stop making Ricky Trooper go live.
Ricky! Ricky, we know you're passionate about the thing, and we know you like do live. Just stop, though. Stop the drinking and going live. You're a legend, you know, brother. Stop it, man. Same. Yeah, we got Ricky Trooper. We got Mr. Vegas, too. You got two man who respect, and I don't respect them. Come on for the internet with them. God, do.